Check out this 2016 GMC Yukon XL. This vehicle still has fewer than 90,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This exceptional Yukon XL delivers rugged performance, refined comfort, and plenty of room for passengers and cargo, thanks to its extra-long wheelbase. Your options for towing and road tripping are wide open in this full-size SUV with an oversized appetite for adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, fog lamps, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, third row seat, seat memory, trip computer. Take charge of every adventure in this superlative Yukon XL. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.